Hi, second graders. Welcome to reading. You guys have been doing a lot of work with trying to understand and know your characters. So we've been tracking how they feel. We've been looking at their character traits, like what kind of a person are they? And today, what you're going to do, because it's Friday, you are going to write a letter to your teacher. But you're going to be talking about the character trait or a character trait of one of your characters. So I'm going to show you guys what that's going to look like. So I'm going to start by reading a book because as always we read for 20 minutes. So I'm going to read a book with you guys and then I'm going to show you how I use this book to write a letter to my teacher or to your teacher. I'm going to pretend like I'm writing to Miss Smith. But so I'm going to start with reading a book, and it's called The Secret Olivia Told Me. Maybe some of you guys have read it. The Secret Olivia Told Me by N. Joy. Alrighty. Olivia told me a secret. I promised I would not tell. It was such a great big secret, I thought my head might swell. It was hard not to tell the secret. I wanted to spread the news, but I gave Olivia my word. Her friendship I could not lose. As I played with my classmate, Ayana, the secret accidentally slipped. Before I could catch the secret, it tumbled right out of my lips. Ayana chatted with Stephanie, and at once Stephanie knew. Then Steph whispered to Tony. She declared that it was true. Tony leaked the secret to Jalen. Jalen's sister, Anita, overheard. It didn't take long for Anita to start spreading the word. Anita told her friend, Terry. To the secret she added more. When Terry told Tabby the secret, it was bigger than ever before. Now I want to stop real quick because I want you guys to know this. As I am reading, I'm thinking to myself, okay, I'm looking for a character trait. What kind of person is this main character, okay? I know that so far she has told a secret. So I could use that to help me figure out what character trait she is. But I'm going to keep reading the whole book and see if I see anything else she does to help me figure out who is she? What kind of person is she? So let's keep reading. Tabby passed it on to her classmates. She blew up the secret too. More and more people told the secret, and it grew and grew and grew. The secret became even bigger, with parts that were not true. The secret was no longer special because now everyone knew. I thought and worried and fretted. What did I get myself into? So I decided to tell Olivia the truth, because it was the right thing to do. Interesting. So instead of lying to her friend about telling the secret, she's going to be honest. She's going to tell the truth. This is making me think something about her, about Olivia, what kind of person she is. So I think I'm going to use this, but I'm going to keep reading the book and I'll come back. But this is an important page for me. I'm sorry, said Olivia. You know I'm your friend. I made a mistake. The secret is out. Please don't let our friendship end. Together, we both learned a lesson. Of this we're very sure. Don't tell a single person a secret, or it won't be a secret anymore. And that is the end of the story. Very nice. Okay, and this is the author and the illustrator who wrote this story. Okay, so let's go to Seesaw, and I want to show you your assignment. So you guys are going to be reading, or you're going to go to Reading 11:13, and you're going to make sure to click Add Response, okay? Before I do that, though, I want to show you guys something cool that I sent you, something that's going to help. I'm going to go to my inbox. See this like little speech bubble type thing? And you're going to notice the thing that I most recently posted is this. It says character traits. And if you would notice, on one of our other days, I had this as well. But if you look here, there's all kinds of things. Let's think about our character that I just read about and what kind of characters traits fits her. Is she friendly? Is she fun? Is she funny? Adventurous, brave, bossy, cheerful, curious, nice, thoughtful, dangerous, exciting, gentle, generous, happy, annoying, honest, smart, lazy, mischievous, mean, nosy, shy, respectful, sad, serious, selfish, trustworthy, wild, sneaky, or silly. Interesting. The one that sticks out to me is that she's honest. And so I'm going to write that in my thing, that she's honest. But before I can, let me go back. So she's honest. That's something that I want to say about her. I'm trying to think how to get out of this. Oh, here we go. There's the X marks. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my activities. And if I click add response, you're going to notice, okay, it says dear and then a blank. You have to put your teacher's name. So if you have Mrs. Davis, if I'm your teacher, you're going to write Mrs. Davis. But if not, you would write Miss Smith. So I would put dear, I'm going to write Miss Smith because I'm going to pretend like I'm writing to her. Dear Miss Smith, I read the book. Let me go back. What was the name of my book? I think it was The Secret Olivia Told, or The Secret Olivia Told Me. That's what I read. The Secret Olivia Told Me. Oops. I read the book, The Secret, oops, Olivia Told Me. I put it in all caps. The first letter of each word is in all capital letters because it's the name of a book. It's the name of something. So The Secret Olivia Told Me. I read the book The Secret Olivia Told Me. The character blank is blank. This is where you say your character trait. So I actually don't know the name of my character. So I would say the main character, since I don't know her name, I'll just call her the main character, is, and what was the one that I chose? Remember I chose the word honest? So that's where I would put her character trait. So you put the character's name if you know the name, and then you say what character trait this person has or is. And I would say my character is honest. So the main character is honest. I know this because blank. Now, guys, this is hard. Figuring out, how did I know that she was honest? Well, what I want you guys to do is you're going to look at you're going to go back into your book and you're going to figure out what was one thing that she said, that your character says or does that proves that they are the character trait you chose. So I chose the word honest. She's honest. So I need to go back in my book and I need to find a page that says something that she did or said that proves she's honest. So I'm going back in here, and remember that page that I said was important? I'm going to go back to that page. Remember she said, I thought and I worried and I fretted. What did I get myself into? So I decided to tell Olivia the truth because it was the right thing to do. What is one thing she does that proves that she's honest? Well, she decides to tell Olivia the truth. That is what she does that proves she's honest. So when I write to my teacher, I'm going to say, I know this because even though she spilled a secret, she told her friend Olivia the truth. Okay, that's what she did. And then I would have to end by saying from Mrs. Davis. Okay, I have all the pieces. I wrote who it was from, who it's to. Dear Miss Smith. That's who I'm writing my letter to. Then I read the book what was the book? The Secret Olivia Told Me. I said my character's name, if you know it, and then what was the character trait. I said she was honest. So the main character is honest. And then I said, how did I know? Well, I know this because even though she spilled a secret, she told her friend Olivia the truth. That was one thing she did. Okay. Now I'm done with my letter to my teacher. Boys and girls, what you are going to do, like I said, is you're going to go read a book for 20 minutes. Okay? When you're done, I want you to think about your character. Look at the list of words that I have and think to yourself, which one is my character? Is my character honest? Is my character funny? Is my character, you have to think about your character and write one character trait. After you find that character trait, I want you to go back into your story and find one thing your character said or one thing your character did to prove that that's true. I proved that my character was honest because in the book it says she told the truth. That means she's honest. So that's what you guys are going to do today, all right? Okay, I'm excited to see and hear about your guys' characters and what they're like, and I can't wait to see why you guys think they are that way. All right, have a fun time reading and figuring out your characters.